we are going to learn and play about ball. Colors of the ball. Look, there's a lot of ball there. Say ball. I have big ball. And I have... Which one is the big ball? Can you show Mama? Show Mama the big ball. Where is the big ball? Good job. What about the small ball? That one. Yes. Small ball. Big ball. Is small ball. Big ball. Oh, look what I got here. A dino ball. What does the dino say? Roar. It's there. Oh, it's T-Rex. That's the T-Rex, baby. Look, dino. What is this? A T-Rex. T-Rex. Where's the T-Rex? Right there. T-Rex. Look, friend. Look. It's a princess ball. A princess ball. Look. 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 Can you give Mama the dino ball? Where is the dino ball? Dinosaur ball. Can you give that to Mama? Ah, you found it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Princess ball. That's a princess ball. Can you show to friends? Can you show to friends? Look. A princess ball. It's so pretty. There's a flowers. Flowers. Here. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3 flowers. And 4 flowers. Look at that. There's a Cinderella. Look. Cinderella. Here, there's a Cinderella. And then there's a glass. Here's a Cinderella. Cinderella. Oh, what's that? This is a superhero ball. There's a Spider-Man, and then there is another black Spider-Man, and then it's so cool. Oh, we have a lot of balls. So many balls. Look what I got. I have so many balls. There's a dino ball, princess ball, and look. It's superhero ball. Can you count the ball? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 balls. And look at this. It's so colorful ball. Can you say colorful ball? There's a green, there's an orange, there's a pink, purple, and I have a maple leaf ball. Look, it's so beautiful. It's so red leaf, like a Canada flag. How many balls do you have? 1, 2. 2 balls. Good job. It's so beautiful. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Look, beautiful babies. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's look like a rainbow color. There's a yellow, green, purple. Oh, and there's still look. I have so many beautiful balls. Look. So beautiful. Look at this, friend. It's so beautiful balls. Oh no. Have you seen that? And we have yellow ball, orange ball, pink and black ball, and we have blue and black ball. They are small ball. And soft. It's soft. So soft ball. Okay, count ball. Come on here.
1,
2, 3, Four balls like this. Four. Another green ball, friend. Count ball. Count the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls, and they are soft balls. Soft. You can hold. You can like this. It's soft ball. And what is this? Oh, another. Oh. It's another ball. It's big. Where is the big ball? Is this a big ball or small ball? This is a big ball. Good job. Can you point where is the yellow ball, friend? That's correct. This is a yellow ball. Look at this. Oh, it's so big. It's so huge. Can you tell me what is the color of the ball, the big ball? That's correct. That is green ball. Say green. This is green big ball. Estada, yes. Green big ball. And can you show me the pink ball? That's correct. That's the pink ball. Oh, it's got, oh my God, it's so many. Look. Oh my God, I need help, friend. I need help, friend. Oh, another ball. Come on, put more ball. Oh, it's so, oh, I dropped it. Oh, it keep rolling the ball. Oh no. And it bounced.
Mommy.
Oh, look at this. It's a shark ball, a blue. And then there's a yellow. A shark. Oh, mommy shark. And then there's a blue shark inside. And then it's a pink. You can shake ball. And shake. And look, green ball. And then there's a pink shark inside. You can shake ball. Throw the ball, catch the ball. Throw the ball, catch the ball. Good job. Oh, mama got it. Look, shake the ball. Good job. A shark ball. Look at this. A shark ball. Swim, shark, swim. And then there's a bubble inside. Bubble. Say bubble. Bubble. Shake. Like here, you shake. Here, you shake. Come on, shake. Shake. Oh, what color is my ball? Green. And you have blue and pink. Good job. Shake ball. Look, it's so cool. There's a shark inside. It turns blue. Good job. A pink and purple ball. Oh, so mama, the big pink, a big purple. That is a purple, right? It's a purple pink ball. Purple. Good job. And big purple ball is small purple ball. Look, it's small and big. Good job. A big ball, a medium ball, a small ball. What color are they? It's a purple ball. Large, medium, and a small ball. Large, medium, small purple ball. Can we count the ball? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Good job. Look, I have blue 3 balls. Oh, 4. 4. Say hi, friend. Hi, friend. Look, mommy, it's blue. Blue ball. Extra large, medium, small balls. Good job. Good job, balls, blue balls. Can you count the blue ball? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mama have 2 red balls. This is the big ball and then the small ball. Small, big, small, big. Orange ball. What about the orange one? And I got pink 2 balls. Big ball is small ball. Big ball is small pink ball. Good job. Wala siya. Can you point the small pink ball? Can you show me where is the pink small ball? This one. Ala. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving Mama a lot of balls. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, another yellow. Another yellow. Thank you. It's all done. All done. Oh no! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This. Ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! We dropped all the balls. We dropped it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What color is this? What color is this, baby? It's gray. Gray ball. Oh, someone wants the pink one. Or the yellow or the green ball. But this one is gray ball. Hi, beautiful babies. Look what we have. A colorful squishy. Where's the eyes? Can you show Mama the eyes? What color is this? What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What about this? Can you tell me what is this? What color is this? Can you tell Mama what is the color is this? Orange. It's squishy and it's ew. It's look at that. It's squishy. Can you say squish? Squish. Oh, there's a light inside. What about this? What color is this? Squish. Oh, the light of this doesn't work. Oh, yes. What color is this? Yellow. Yellow. What about this? What color is this? Ah, what color is this? This is green. Green. What about? Oh, you got the blue. Good job. What about blue? What about this? What color is this? Pink. Ew. 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 And to have 2 eyes. Ew. Ew.